Facebook probably owes you some money. This is some good news if you've used the Facebooks. Facebook has agreed to a settlement of $725 million to help settle a class action lawsuit relating to privacy. So if you've been a user of the Facebooks, you might be entitled to some monies. You like monies, so you can collect the monies. Let's learn a little bit more. Did you use Facebook sometime between 2007 and 2022? That's a lot of years. If so, Facebook might owe you some money. Over the years, Facebook has faced some lawsuits relating to privacy. These lawsuits were ultimately consolidated into a class action lawsuit, Facebook allowing unauthorized access for user friend data as well. The lawsuits had claimed that Facebook did not sufficiently monitor or enforce rules relating to third parties who had access. So not just the people they authorized, but also getting access to your friends' data. So you might have permitted your account to be used, but because they got access to your account, they got also access to your friends' data, which they didn't necessarily authorize. So some problems. Of course, one of the lawsuits related to the Cambridge Analytica data analytics stuff, which worked with campaign information. The company admits to no wrongdoing. So in order to get a cash settlement, eligible users between the dates can file a claim. Users must submit a claim by August the 25th of 2023. Users who object can object or file an opt-out. If you don't do either of those, then you don't get the money and you can't sue. That's the nature of a class action. So you can either accept the money or you can object to the money legally, or you can opt out and sue Facebook on your own if you like. If you'd like more information about these legal options, you can go to facebookuserprivacysettlement.com and figure all that out. I will note that objecting to these settlements is less frequently allowed by the courts than they have been at some points in the past. So the courts have gone a little bit more skeptical of people objecting to settlements because they think that they're doing it merely to profit themselves, and courts tend to look at them more disfavorably. So unless you're going to say the settlement is inherently unjust for everybody or something like that, then yeah, and that's difficult. And suing them on your own is also, of course, very difficult. So this is an option. It's probably the best option that's available, but you can make the legal decision for yourself by looking at facebookuserprivacysettlement.com.